Welcome to the AI for Career Success video overview by Curt Robbins. We're experts at AI coaching and helping professionals like you and your employees upskill in AI. Today, we're breaking down a really pivotal development in the AI infrastructure market. Our analysis is based on Rachel Kleinman's article, Anthropic Partners with CoreWeave for AI Cloud Capacity, which was published on LinkedIn on April 10, 2026, along with some related industry commentary.
Let's start with this very definitive statement from CoreWeave CEO Michael Intrator. I think this really serves as a powerful frame for understanding the company's escalating position in the AI ecosystem, and it sets the stage perfectly for its latest major partnership.
So here's the central news. Anthropic, one of the leading AI safety and research companies, has just signed a multi-year deal with CoreWeave. This is a strategic move, and it's a direct response to the immense and frankly surging demand for Anthropic's sophisticated Claude family of AI models. They simply need a significant expansion of their data center capacity.
To really understand the dynamics here, let's just quickly break down the roles. You have Anthropic, the innovator, right? They're developing these cutting-edge AI models that require just massive computational power. And then you have CoreWeave, the specialist provider, delivering the essential GPU-based cloud infrastructure that makes running these models at scale even possible.
Now, this single partnership, as significant as it is, really just points to a much larger trend. So let's zoom out for a moment and look at the sheer scale of investment being deployed into this specialized AI cloud sector, because the numbers here are, well, they're truly mind-boggling. For example, just consider CoreWeave's relationship with Meta. In a mere 6-month period, their announced deals totaled over $35 billion. A figure like that illustrates that these are not minor experimental ventures. No, these are foundational, long-term infrastructure commitments from the world's largest technology firms.
And this level of investment, well, it's backed by some serious financial confidence. CoreWeave recently closed an $8.5 billion term loan, which, and this is the crucial part, received an investment-grade rating. That demonstrates a very high degree of market conviction in the company's business model and, of course, its capacity to execute. You know, the digital demands of AI have very real physical world consequences. CoreWeave has now contracted for over 3 gigawatts of power for its data centers. To put that into perspective for you, that is a power requirement equivalent to that of a major U.S. city.
Okay, so let's move into the core analysis, because the true importance of this Anthropic partnership isn't just its financial value, but what it proves about CoreWeave's technical capabilities and its reliability, especially under extreme pressure.
This analyst quote from Asterisk AI really captures the essence of the situation. You see, not all customers carry the same weight. Securing a deal with one of the most demanding AI model builders out there serves as a very public, high-stakes test of a provider's ability to perform at production scale.
So the crucial point here is to understand the culture inside these top AI labs. They operate at the absolute frontier of what's possible, and because of that, they have an extremely low tolerance for infrastructure instability or underperformance. Their selection of a provider is therefore a powerful endorsement. It's a signal of proven reliability that's frankly more valuable than any marketing claim.
Expert Maya Levinson reinforces this very point. In the abstract world of cloud capacity claims, the most concrete measure of competence is simply who trusts you with their most critical workloads. That trust, from an elite customer like Anthropic, makes performance and reliability tangible.
This deal also exemplifies a really fundamental shift in the cloud computing market as a whole, the emergence of a new category of specialized providers. The term for this new category is neocloud. So what is it? A neocloud is a cloud platform that has been engineered specifically for the unique demands of high-performance AI. Unlike a general-purpose cloud, its architecture is optimized from the ground up for GPU-intensive tasks, providing a much more direct and efficient path to the computational power that AI developers need.
Let's contrast the two models to make it clearer. Think of the traditional hyperscalers. They're like a sprawling city, a vast general-purpose platform for all kinds of applications. Neoclouds, on the other hand, are more like a rocket launch pad, a specialized, performance-tuned infrastructure built for one specific, high-stakes purpose, production-grade AI. That specialization is their key competitive advantage.
The implications of this shift are pretty clear. First, the AI cloud is no longer some niche segment. It's a distinct and fiercely competitive category in its own right. Second, CoreWeave has achieved a dominant position. Reports indicate that 9 of the 10 leading AI model providers are now using its platform.
And third, this success demonstrates that specialist providers are winning by offering tangible, measurable advantages in production environments.
So, all of this leads us to look forward. As this new market matures, the nature of the competition is definitely going to evolve. So, what are the key strategic questions that are going to define this next phase?
This leaves us with a crucial question for anyone working in this space. Looking ahead, what will be the primary determinant of success in the AI cloud market? Is it simply about having the most raw computing capacity? Is it about efficiency? The best performance per dollar? Or, as this Anthropic deal seems to suggest, is it really about that battle-tested reliability, proving you can deliver when the most demanding workloads are on the line?
And that brings us to the end of our analysis of this evolving AI infrastructure landscape. We certainly hope this has provided some valuable insight into the strategic forces at play.
This is where we teach you AI and help you get smarter than your competition. If you like these videos, use the QR code at the beginning of this video to buy us a coffee, or hire us to coach you or your employees in AI. Please subscribe to the AI for Career Success YouTube channel and like, comment, and share to help us reach a wider audience.